Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Q here again, and I'm back for another video for you all. And today's video kind of up in the air right now. So the original plan was to get like a cat back with an H-pipe added to it, but the company that I went to, MRT, they did not have my order ready, so can't get that installed today. So they had to put me back on the schedule. I already took today off, so I'm not that happy about that. They gave me this free t-shirt and everything, but yeah, not sure if I'll be getting that done with them. I didn't reschedule. So what we're going to do today is kind of a spur of the moment thing. I'm going to go back to the exhaust shop where I got my axle backs put on here and the H-pipe on my Mustang, and they're going to make a custom H-pipe for me to replace the X-pipe on the Camaro. So I'm about to head there now. Don't know what's about to happen there, but I'm going to bring you all along with me so we can get some footage of what's happening. So what I'm looking for is more volume and a deeper tone from my exhaust. And it's loud enough as it is, but since I'm not going to be driving the Camaro as much now, I feel like I can go a little bit past that extreme. So I want a deeper, louder tone, and the H-pipe will do just that for me. Before you all click off the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And here, come along with me. Let's go to see Sam. Alright, just made it to my guy Sam here at Muffler Man in Troy. I'm gonna see what he says about doing this custom H-pipe for me and see how much it costs, more importantly. But it should be cheap. It's nothing but a couple pipes. But I'll definitely keep you all updated. And as far as MRT, like, there's no reason to be mad. Just like, yeah, they weren't able to keep their appointment with me, but it's nothing to cry over. And I did take my day off and everything for this, so when one thing doesn't work, I'll have a plan B. Or I could have just waited, but I value my time too much to be sitting around waiting for something that I wanted, been waiting a week for. So here we are. Forgot my mask. Whoops. So what I plan on doing is I'm looking at the forums. Just going to get the factory X-pipe cut out and simply going to add some stainless steel H-pipes. And that's it. Should be a cheap, quick thing. They got to do some welding, but that's it. I got the car on the hoist, about to lift it up and see how this is going to go underneath. So I just showed him the design that I want, and he said he can do it. So I'm going to go up under the car now. So this is the X-pipe they're going to cut out, basically. They're just going to fabricate an H shape right here. It's going to be a tight squeeze, but they're going to do it for me. There's definitely going to be some welding going on, and the sound is on me, but just experimenting out here, so whatever it sounds like, that's how it's going to be. And if it sounds terrible, then we're going back to stock. So I'll show you some more video of them doing the actual install. Here's what the X-pipe was. This is where we're going to connect the H-pipe at. So this under here is towards the headers. This is where you would do the secondary cat delete, right here and right here. And if the volume isn't loud enough on the H-pipe, that's exactly what I'm going to do. When the boiler's on up, mufflers, this is where the H-pipe is going to be. They have to weld it, obviously, and put the H-pipe going across. Measuring the torque. This is it before it's welded. Alright, now we got the H pipe all welded together. Looks like it's 2.5 inch diameter pipe. So slightly smaller than the OEM. Hopefully that doesn't make a difference. But we're just experimenting. So we went with the smaller diameter just because it's harder to work with the bigger diameter. So 2 3/4 inch pipe, that was kind of too big to make the crossover with the H part. So we just did 2.5 inches in diameter all the way through. Alright, so this is the final product here. H pipe, 2.5 inch diameter pipe. Going both ways on there. We got it welded on, so there's no air leaks to get any check engine lights. Now we're going back to these boiler axle backs. So we're about to lower it down now and see what it sounds like. We're in the car now, about to see how we sounded. Initially, I like what I heard, and then the pops were more aggressive. And that's exactly what I wanted, just to be deeper and louder. Oh yeah, and that cost $300 too. Let's get out here. Pops are definitely louder. It almost seems a little bit more torqueier. Like the throttle response is slightly better. It could be in my head though. I be tripping. Y'all know that. Oh, missed my gear. Rev match. I'm about to downshift. right there. Oh, that wasn't the cold start y'all wanted? Oh, okay, okay. Camaro time. Thought I'd give y'all a little extra, but y'all ain't want it then. That's all you had to say. So this is what came out the car. It's the X pipe. It's got a pretty large opening in the middle. Not sure if you can see it. That's diagonal looking across to this one over here, from over here. All right, thank y'all for following me today. Hopefully it was something that you all enjoyed. To me, this is the hands down best modification for the Camaro that I've done, especially with the bang for the buck. So yeah, it's way cheaper than the MRT solution, which was like $1,000 installed. This was $300 installed. It's just for the H pipe. No knock against them, but I'm very selective with my time. I hate to waste my time, so I have to go back to my guy Sam and get this done. So with that said, if you like the content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you all on the next video. Peace out.